morning. Happy January 11th. Today is Saturday and we are at home in Louisville. It's my first Saturday here in like 3 weeks, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and traveling and Christmas and all that fun stuff. So we're home and we have a lot to do today. I have made a to-do list on my phone that I'll just put right here, but I want to do some laundry today. I'm gonna clean our bathroom, take down all the Christmas, clean the living room, take out the trash, vacuum pretty much the entire apartment, finish a vlog, and schedule a post to go up on Instagram. But before that, we are going to Pilates at 10. It is 9:13. I'm looking really rough this morning, and Peyton is going to get the snow off my car. I'll show you what the snow looks like. Look how much freaking snow we have. This is a lot, and personally, I hate it. All right, I'm gonna make some coffee, maybe eat some breakfast before Pilates. Another thing we're doing today is watching Kentucky. They play at Mississippi State at 8:30 p.m. So it's gonna be a long ways away from then until we get to watch them. All right, so let's kind of do our hair because it looks a little disgusting. Please look at the state of my office. The issue is, like I said, I came back from Christmas and we went to Florida and stuff. So I had all my stuff packed up and then I leave again on Wednesday. So I don't want to unpack it and then literally repack it. Anyways, let's go actually get a hair mask. I love this hair mask. I've had it forever and it lasts so long, and I feel like I still have a good amount in it too. So we're gonna put this in our hair to slick it back today. Now I'm really just looking insane. Slicked. Not my best work, but my hair is so heavy today. I put a lot of that mask in, so maybe that's why. Now I'm just gonna brush through my brows and curl my lashes. So I don't look like a boy. I'm gonna enjoy my coffee and maybe make some breakfast. I don't know. Today's spread, we have avocado toast and a yogurt with blueberries. Had such a good class today. I really enjoyed it. You know, one of those classes where you're like, I killed that. And I got lots of good videos, so. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to the gym later with Peyton. It's just like a lot of slushy in the road. I don't wanna clean. I just got so lost in the depths of TikTok, so I uploaded a video and now we're about to leave to go to the gym. I'm just gonna do the Stairmaster for like 15 minutes probably, and then get on the treadmill and just walk for the rest of the time while he's doing his lift. I never showed you my outfit for today, so I'll show you right now. This matching set is from Lululemon. I got it from Santa for Christmas. They're the Align leggings, and then this high neck tank top. I can't remember what this is called. And then I have on this little pullover jacket just while I was like waiting for class to start, and then probably like wear it while I warm up at the gym. I've literally had this for probably 4 years, 5 years. I really like it. It has Wildcats on it, so Wrapping Kentucky a little bit today, and then again, my hair still slicked. Well, I have not gotten much done off of my to-do list, but that is a-okay. Oh, I need to fill out that form you sent me. Okay, we're back from the gym. It is 1 o'clock. The day is going by very fast. but I'm very, very hungry for lunch. So I just had a couple of my last pieces of sushi, but that's like a little appetizer. I made these egg bites. They're like the ones kind of from Starbucks. I think the Starbucks ones are better, but they're still really good. This is like the cheese ones. And I'm having some carrots and hummus. And I think once Peyton's done, I'm going to make a smoothie, a protein shake. So this has 15 grams of protein, and then my shake will have probably 20. So good amount of protein for lunch. That'll hopefully hold me over until dinner, because we're gonna have some steaks again tonight. So I made my smoothie. It has spinach, banana, blueberries, vanilla protein powder,
leaves,
and Fairlife milk. So this has like 35 grams of protein plus my eggs, 50. We're taking down the tree. Gosh, okay, it's been like an hour since we took the tree down, and I have been cleaning and cleaning and cleaning, mostly vacuuming, just because that's really what needs to be done. And wow, it looks so different. I will show you. All right, normal pillows are back up. We have all the normal decor. I don't love this. I didn't love this even before Christmas. We moved in like a month before, so I might go to Home Goods and see if I can find a few things to like put here. I really want a frame, and then something bigger than that, preferably. These two things used to be in our bedroom, but I didn't love the golf balls. I was like, that doesn't really seem like something you put in a bedroom. A naked picture of Lady Gaga just seems odd too, so I was like, I'll bring that out here and we'll style it out here. Our trash is like getting so crazy. And here's our room. I put our normal pillows back up, and then I separated these out a little more, and I made this little tray with my perfumes on it. So this is the decor so far. Again, I don't love this. And then of course like Peyton's pants are here, but that is just where we are right now. Might run to Home Goods to see if I can find some more stuff, but I'm not sure. Let's check my list to see how we're doing. Laundry I have not done. I think I'm gonna do that tomorrow. So this might be like a 2-day vlog. Clean bathroom. I also think I'm gonna wait and do that tomorrow because I'm waiting on some more shower cleaner in the mail. So I don't wanna do it and then have to go back and do it again. Oh, we forgot to put our mistletoe away. Take down Christmas, check. Clean living room, check. Take out the trash. I don't want to do that right now. Vacuum, yes. Workout, check. Finish Christmas vlog, I need to do that. Schedule a reel, so we're getting there. Our kitchen is spotless, and it is very nice to see. Got everything put away and wiped everything down. We're looking good. I moved the paper towels back there. They used to be here, but I think I like the plain clear countertop. It is 3:30. I think I'm going to try to edit this YouTube video and get it up today. So we'll see if I can get that done, my Christmas one. I'm gonna maybe try to get this done by 4:30 in hopes that it's not like the last thing I do before the sun goes down. Let's try to get this done and we'll see how far we get. If not, maybe we'll finish tomorrow. Good morning. It is 10:16. I've been up for quite a while. I did not sleep like at all last night. It was one of the worst nights of sleep I've probably had in a long time. So I've been up, and then I was like, you know what? I'm gonna be productive. So I am exporting my YouTube video. I just laid in bed, finished editing, made the thumbnail, exporting now, and then I'm gonna get that up to YouTube. I'm gonna get ready, and Peyton and I are gonna go to the grocery store. We have been eating so clean and healthy and at home. I'm so proud of us, but it requires a lot of groceries, and I am also thinking about like doing not full-on animal-based diet, but like a 80-20 animal based because I just see such good results, and I feel like we do eat a lot of like animal based things currently. So we're gonna go to the store, we're gonna get some good stuff, and I'll show you when we get home. I'm gonna extend the vlog through today because I feel like I didn't get everything accomplished that I wanted to yesterday. I also have uploaded 3 YouTube shorts today already, and the thing to clean our bathroom won't be here till tonight, so maybe I'll do that tomorrow and then just not include it in this video. Laundry today, maybe clean, take out this trash. I finished Christmas vlog, I'll get that uploaded, and I do want to go to Home Goods maybe today, and just, now that Christmas is over, I really want to get this apartment like a home. You know, we don't have art on our walls and stuff. Like, I just want to find pieces I love, and that doesn't mean I'm going to find them today, but I really want to start going regularly to see if I can find some art or more knickknacks to decorate the TV stand like I mentioned yesterday. So that is on the agenda today. I also want to work out at some point. I'll probably just go to our gym here. So yeah, let's get dressed and go to the store. I love a matching set, so I'm wearing this aloe set that I got for Christmas, and I told Peyton to give me like 20 minutes, but I think I'm gonna need longer than that. I want to eat breakfast because you can't go to the store on an empty stomach, and put in my first load of laundry. So let's separate that out. That is so boring. I'm not going to show you that, but just know I always dread doing this. Dread it so much. I was gone for, I kid you not, 17 days between Christmas and our trip to Florida. So we have a lot of laundry to do. I did do a lot of it while I was still in Florida because we have a washing machine down there, but that doesn't make it any easier necessarily. So I'm going to sit here and do this, and I'll get back to you when I'm done. Breakfast is served. I have some oats with blueberries, cinnamon, honey, protein powder. Very high protein breakfast. This is one of those things that's like, I mentioned like being mainly animal based, or I want to try to do that a lot, but this isn't on that diet, so I love oatmeal. Got my YouTube video up. I have my first load of laundry in, eating breakfast. I'm gonna finish getting ready, then we're going to the store. All right, so we got 24 eggs because we eat these like with every single meal. Sushi as a little treat for us. Turkey bacon, 2 spaghetti squashes, and I cannot wait to make these for like a pasta. Grass-fed ground beef. We both love this Fairlife milk. It's so good and it's so high in protein. 1 sweet potato, non-fat plain Greek yogurt. Bananas part 1, I think we literally got 10 because we eat these so much. Egg whites because I want to try to make the healthy pancakes with this and a banana. 3 organic lemons, more bananas, 1 grapefruit, 3 organic Granny Smith apples. String cheese. I know I could get a healthier version, so please let me know what you prefer over like this Kraft cheese. Bagels, these are not for me. And these yogurts, again, I don't know if these are the healthiest, but they're so good and so high in protein. Let me know what you think about the animal-based diet, and if you have any suggestions for me on what to eat, because I definitely could have been more prepared going into the store. Bye! I don't know if I can fully do it because I do love carbs. Like, I feel like I have to eat carbs. Rice, a little bit of bread, things like that. What did I film last? I made my juice. Well, we got back from the grocery, made my juice. I'm still doing laundry. I just put my first load away. I have 2 more to do. Like, one's in the washer, one's in the dryer, so that'll be a while. But I really want to work out today. I just don't know what to do because here's the thing. I could go to my gym here, but what am I gonna do? Because I've been watching YouTube. I've watched a lot of videos and I'm pretty much caught up, so there's nothing much for me to do. I could just scroll on TikTok, and then I was like, well, I could walk on my walking pad and start editing this vlog, but I'm like, I want to do an incline. I cut my finger when I was cutting up my vegetables. I get confused because my Pilates studio just isn't open on Sundays, which I'm like, why? It's not, we're not Chick-fil-A. That sounds mean, but you know what I mean. I would love to do it on Sundays, and they're not open, which is fun. So should I see if there's a workout class I could go take tonight? But then I would have to pay for it. So I don't know. I do not know. I do not know. Okay, I decided I'm gonna walk on my walking pad. So I'm gonna import this footage into my computer right here. I'm gonna get my walking pad and start editing this vlog. My Apple Watch was about to die, which is why I had to stop, which is ironic. It makes sense though, because I broke my phone charger yesterday, so then I was using a different one and it ended up unplugging my watch charger, so it makes sense. So that's charging. I did like 4.12 miles, so that's pretty good, and I got a good chunk of that video edited, which is gonna be so nice. And I got my 10K steps today. So in case no one has told you recently, walking is so good for you. Walk 10,000 steps a day for a month and see how it changes your life. I promise you it will. So now I'm gonna put away some more laundry, of course, that never stops. And after that, maybe we'll start dinner. I need to call my mom later. So we are cooking up some dinner, and then we're gonna have some asparagus, maybe some carrots, cheese, blueberries, just some random things. Here's tonight's spread. It kind of looks like a 3-year-old's plate, but that's okay. And then this if I'm still hungry, or this can be like my dessert since it's a little sweeter. I'm gonna end the video right here. Thank you so much for watching and coming along for a very productive weekend here in Louisville. I'll make sure to subscribe down below if you're not already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.